Question number 1. The table gives the values of a function f for selected values of x. Which of the following describes the rate of change of the graph of f in the interval from 0 to 4? Okay, if we look at the value of x, it increases by 1, right? So plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Now, if we look at the values of f of x, it decreases by 1. Now it increased by 1. It increased by 3. It increased by 5, right? These values are the average rate of change of f. For example, -1 is average rate of change of f on this interval. 1 is average rate of change of f on this interval. 3 is average rate of change in this interval. 5, average rate of change in this interval, right? Now, if we look at this pattern of this average rate of change of f, it increased by 2, right? Plus 2, plus 2. So we can conclude that these average rate of change of f are increasing constantly. It increases by 2, right? So the answer must be C. The rate of change of f is increasing. More specifically, the average rate of change of f is increasing constantly because it's constantly increasing by 2.